folks, it's Nessa here in Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to show you one of my recent Herrschners orders. Wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what I got. And yes, this is a kit. I know, I'm bad, but it's Big Twist Yarn kit. Exciting, it was on sale. Anyways, so I want to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here. If you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. And welcome and hi to my members. Thanks so much for your continued support. It means a bunch. So I wanted to show what I got in this one. I still have some other unboxings and things like that and projects that I want to show and talk about. And anyways, have a very long list. Trying to do a few, about that, trying to do a few now as I can, to do every, to show these. Okay, so back to where I was. We can talk about this first. So yeah, so I got this kit. It's the Twilight Home Throw. And it, I was able to get it currently at like $30, and they're running different sales, like free shipping or extra discount. And anyways, you can look for the codes or sign up for their emails to get it. Let me, so it came with 8 skeins. I think that's the best way to show them. 2 cream. These are 2 aqua and 3 dark teal. And then 1, I think this is some sort of green colorway. Oh, look, I'll tell you the color in a second. Personally, though, if you look at these, and yes, the blanket looks pretty, but honestly, instead of using this color here, I would probably use the regular teal. This is dark teal, but right here it's shown as a dark blue, which it is not. So it's shown a little different on the camera. Yeah, it's the lighting in here. So this green colorway, it's called Jade Green, which is pretty. It doesn't really go with the teal very well. And this is the aqua color. So it is a bit lighter than the aqua. So maybe put another one that's closer to this color family, unless you like that contrast. But yeah, let me read what the yarn is. So, I love Big Twist value, so I was pretty happy to get some. It's the skein is 380 yards or 6 ounces, 347 meters or 170 grams. Trying to stick this back in there, sorry. Oh, the label came off of the cream colored. Anyways. Size 4 medium weight yarn. They recommend a US size 8 5mm knitting needles or US H8 5mm crochet hook. It's machine wash dryable. I don't think they recommend to machine dry it. Just machine washable, sorry. Dry flat, lay low. I wouldn't iron this. Yeah, it says do not tumble dry. It has the Okiotech Standard 100, and it's made in Turkey. Again, this is a dark teal colorway. And that's all the stuff that I just read to you. So the kit, the pattern itself, oh my gosh, everything keeps falling. Looks like this, Twilight Hour Throw, and it's classified, I believe, as an intermediate level pattern when I looked at it earlier. Yeah, and the finished size is 46 inches by 55 inches. And it has the arrangement of the squares and their recommendation on how to do the colors. You see how to do the colors. How the squares have different colors. Yeah, I guess if you wanted the squares to have the same arrangement in colors, I don't know if you'd have enough yarn to do that, so you'd have to play with it and see. Anyways, and yeah, and it has that little thing for you to put your name on with the darning needle. That's like a little label you can sew on. And, you know, these awesome vinyl zipper bags that I love, that I have to, you know, a bunch here in the house. Okay, on to the rest of the order. So, anyways, I'll organize that later. I ordered the Herrschners. It's called the Frosted Fur Shawl. This is what it looks like. Sorry. That's what it looks like. Trying not to show the pattern. The pattern is available for free on their website. I did order the kit, which is 2 skeins of course I picked the like messier one. The Worsted Holiday, their Worsted Holiday Sparkle Yarn. This is the Flocked Tree colorway. And it's like a lighter kind of sage green. A lighter sage green with some grays and white and beige in there. It's very pretty. It's a shame this one's so like disheveled. They say you need 2. I thought it was gonna come with one of those bags, and the pattern in there, but it didn't, so I just printed off the pattern. And the kit was $10.99, which actually comes out cheaper than buying these 2 skeins separately, because I think right now they're like priced like at $6.97, or so $7, $6 or $7 each. So yeah, so it's 92% acrylic, 108% polyester blend, 8 ounces skein, and 226 grams or 489 yards or 448 meters. They recommend a US size 7 knitting needle or a crochet hook, the 5.5 millimeter, which is an I9. Machine wash and dry, made in China. So that's just what I read to you. And this is the holiday, their holiday sparkle yarn, the Flocked Tree. Yeah. There it is. And the kit's called the Frosted Fur Shawl, so that's pretty cool. I mean, you could still use the pattern and use any of their other like sparkly yarns too, so you could keep that in mind too if you know you want something stronger, or maybe you want something more Christmassy. So I got these are their bulky weight acrylic mill ends. I've ordered them before. I really like them. I think it's a great deal. It's 5 skeins of a bulky weight yarn. Here it says bulky weight mill ends, 500 grams or 100% acrylic, machine wash warm. They're a number 5 weight yarn. They recommend a size 13 knitting needle or L11, which is an 8 millimeter crochet hook. And then they have the little gauge there. They don't really say the yardage for the skeins, but hey. My guess would be 200 something yards per ball. So these right now, it's discounted down, and the pack, it costs $8. So if you're able to, I have the Smart Savings Club, so I get 10% discount automatically on everything. And I also had a coupon, so then you could apply the coupon on top of that. So it came out at I mean, even at $8, it comes out at a really good price. And if you're able to get free shipping, that's wonderful. You know, so just look around for their sales. I mean, I think it's good. I think it's good for like making charity or making hats, or I have enough now where I might be able to make a larger project too. So the other things that I got was their Nob Hill Lofty Tweed. They have them for like a 10 pack for like $20. But right now they discounted their single ones for $1 each. And it's really nice. It's nice and soft. It's a bit furry though. They're usually not that furry. Like, you know, it's usually like that much. I guess that's just, you know, got a little disheveled there in the packaging. So this gray color is called Fog, is the colorway for the gray. The blue, which is a really pretty blue. They had a really pretty green, but that doesn't look like that's in stock right now. The really pretty green is Maritime. They have some blushy pink color. I didn't get that. And they have a yellow. I didn't get the yellow either, but I did get the orange. This is the orange. It's really pretty. It's coming out more orange in the camera than it is in person. It's not as bright in person. It's more like, that looks a little more accurate. This colorway is called Amber Drift. So And you see it fine. I don't want to open the package of 10. So let me read, and it's nice and soft. Let me read you the specifications. The only thing is that the balls are small, so there's not a lot of yardage per ball. So make sure you get enough of your project, you know, for your project that you're doing, because who knows if you can get it later. It's 91% acrylic, 8% polyester, 1% spandex, so it does have a little bit of a stretch to it. Boing, you see, stretchy. Oh, and that's about how thick it is. So it's like on the thinner side 4, like a 4. It's fine. Net weight 1.75 ounces, 50 grams, or 84 yards per ball, or 77 meters. Machine wash, dry, flat. They recommend an I9 5.5 millimeter knitting needles, a size 9, or a 6.5 USK 10.5 crochet hook. And it's made in China, classified as a number 4. So that's what I just read to you guys. Come on, focus. There we go. Now you could see and it's a pretty tweed. Again, it's Knob Hill, Lofty Tweed. And this is a gray. I think it's very pretty. See, it has little specks in there. It is crinkly, so, you know, it has an interesting texture to it. They have a free pattern. Oops, let's put me back in focus. They have a free pattern to make a shawl on their website with this yarn. Just look it up. Look up the yarn. It'll show it to you. I forgot what the shawl's called. I may try to make it because it looked pretty. Okay, folks. That was everything I said. Like I said, it was a smaller yarn haul. It was a quick video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.